30 days ago, this dental clinic had a problem. Not a loud problem, a silent one. On the surface, everything looked fine. Professional clinic, skilled dentists, busy reception, and new patient inquiries were still coming in. But bookings were inconsistent. Some weeks were full, some weeks were slow, and nobody understood why. So the clinic owner thought the answer was more marketing, more ads, more leads, more spending. But when we analyzed the clinic closely, we discovered something surprising. The problem was never traffic. The problem was what happened after patients showed interest. And once we fixed that, bookings increased by 40% in just 30 days. No new staff, no extra working hours, no huge ad budget, just better systems. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what changed, step by step, so you can apply the same process inside your clinic. And stay till the end, because the biggest improvement came from one small change that most clinics completely ignore. Before any improvements, this clinic was operating like most traditional clinics, busy, reactive, and overloaded. The phone kept ringing. WhatsApp messages kept coming. Patients were asking about appointments, pricing, availability, and the staff were trying to handle everything manually. At first glance, it looked productive, but behind the scenes, there was chaos. Calls were being missed. Messages were delayed. Patients waited too long for replies. Follow-ups depended on memory. And sometimes, potential patients disappeared completely. Not because they weren't interested, but because nobody responded fast enough. And this happens in most clinics every single day. Quietly. Invisibly. And it costs clinics thousands in lost revenue. So instead of asking, how do we get more leads? We asked a different question. How do we stop losing the leads we already have? And that changed everything. The first thing we fixed was response time, because speed changes patient behavior. Most clinics respond too slowly, sometimes after hours, and sometimes the next day. But modern patients don't wait. If someone contacts multiple clinics, the clinic that responds first usually wins. So we built a system where every inquiry received an instant response. If someone sent a message, they immediately got a professional reply. If someone missed a call, they automatically got a follow-up text. And the impact was immediate. Patient engagement increased almost instantly. Because when people get fast responses, they feel valued, and trust starts building immediately. Then we fixed the second problem, lost inquiries. Before, there was no proper system. Some inquiries stayed inside WhatsApp. Some were written on paper, and some disappeared completely. So we created one centralized process. Every call, every message, every missed interaction was captured automatically. No more guessing. No more relying on memory. And suddenly, the clinic had visibility. They could finally track inquiries, see where leads were dropping, and know who needed follow-up. And once you can see the problem, you can finally fix it. Then we improved the booking process. Because before, booking an appointment felt complicated. Patients had to wait, ask for available timings, wait again, and sometimes give up completely. So we simplified everything. Patients could now choose a time instantly and confirm immediately. No back and forth, no delays. And when booking becomes easier, more people complete the process. That's human behavior. But one of the biggest breakthroughs came from follow-ups. Because before, if a patient didn't book immediately, they were forgotten. No reminders, no re-engagement. And this is where clinics lose massive revenue. Because most patients don't book instantly. Sometimes they get distracted. Sometimes they forget, but that doesn't mean they're not interested. So instead of letting those leads disappear, we created an automated follow-up system. And something incredible started happening. Old leads started coming back. Patients who disappeared started booking again. And the clinic realized They already had opportunities sitting inside their database. They just never followed up properly. Then we tackled another expensive problem: no shows. A patient books an appointment, the schedule gets blocked, and then they never show up. So we implemented simple appointment reminders. Patients received reminders before appointments, and almost immediately, no shows started dropping. Because most missed appointments aren't intentional. People simply forget. But reminders change behavior. And within 30 days, bookings increased by 40%. Same clinic, same dentist, same team, just smarter systems. And this is the lesson most clinic owners miss. You do not always need more leads. You need better conversion. Because if your systems are weak, more traffic only creates more leakage. The highest performing clinics understand this. They don't just focus on getting patients, they focus on handling patients better. And that's the real difference. So if your clinic feels busy, but bookings still feel inconsistent, don't immediately assume you need more marketing. First, look at your systems. How fast are you replying? How many inquiries are being ignored? How many leads never receive follow-up? How many appointments are lost because of no-shows? Because sometimes the growth you want is hiding inside the patients you already have. And if you want to apply this exact system inside your clinic to increase bookings, reduce missed opportunities, and create a smoother patient experience, comment AI below or check the link in the description, and I'll show you exactly how the full system works, step by step.